Welcome to our video on how to find a book on the shelf in the library. First of all, you can search for the book that you need on the Enterprise catalogue. Make sure you make a note of this number here, the call number. A call number is made up of a set of numbers and 3 letters. The numbers refer to the subject of the book. The letters usually refer to the author or sometimes the title. You'll find books on a similar topic are kept together on the shelves. Once you have the call number, you can check on the floor plan to see whereabouts your book will be. Look at the ends of the shelf to find the range for where your number is. The books are arranged in numerical order, following the pattern shown here, so they start at the top left of a set of shelves and work down. Remember, there might be a lot of books with the same number, so you might need to look around the corner in the next row of shelves for your book. Once you've found the right number, then you need to look at the letters on the end. They go alphabetically along the shelf. Here's the book that we were looking for. If you need any help, please just ask a member of staff.